A typical home landscape contains thousands of insects, but only a few are considered harmful or destructive. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are sharing our baker's dozen list of beneficial garden insects. These insects work overtime to help keep your gardens lush, happy, and healthy. So without further ado, number 12, praying mantis. At first look, you think you see a twig, branch, or leaf. However, upon closer inspection, you notice a highly camouflaged, large, elongated green or brown insect with a triangular head and large eyes. What you see is a praying mantis. These predatory insects have an insatiable appetite, devouring both pest and beneficial species. They eat virtually any insect they catch. They also eat spiders, frogs, lizards, birds, and other praying mantis. Number 11, hoverfly. Hoverflies are tiny yellow and black flies that look like extremely small yellow jacket wasps. They are considered both pollinators and predators. These insects hover over flowers, feeding on nectar, pollen, and honeydew produced by aphids. They lay eggs in young aphid colonies, and their larvae eat by sucking juice from their victims, which include aphids, scales, mites, small caterpillars, mealybugs, beetles, and thrips. If you find this video informative, like and share it. If you enjoy cooking our recipes or watching our other gardening or outdoor videos, subscribe to our channel. Click the notifications link to stay current on new content. Number 10, robber fly. Also called assassin flies or bee killers, these insects look like large, long-legged houseflies. They are ambush predators that mimic and stalk their prey before catching them with their legs. Robber flies eat wasps, bees, dragonflies, grasshoppers, leafhoppers, beetles, and spiders. Number 9, ground beetle. Most species have flat and long bodies and are black and shiny. Some species come in metallic hues of blue, green, yellow, or orange. Ground beetles are nocturnal predators that prey on soil-dwelling pests. They eat aphids, ants, caterpillars, maggots, grubs, slugs, and snails. Number 8, lacewings. These tiny, delicate-looking, vibrant green flying insects have transparent lacewings. They are nocturnal pollinators that feed on nectar, pollen, and honeydew secreted by insects that feed on plant sap as they flutter erratically in a zigzag pattern. Their larvae are voracious predators and are known as aphid lions. Larvae feed on aphids, small caterpillars, mites, whiteflies, scales, mealybugs, thrips, and other soft-bodied insects. Number 7, soldier beetle. Unlike most beetles, soldier beetles have leathery wing covers, hence the nickname leather wings. The adults are pollinators that feed on pollen and nectar. They are also predators. Their larvae, also predators, suck the juices out of their victims. Their diet includes aphids, small caterpillars, grasshoppers and grasshopper eggs, moths, maggots, and other soft-bodied insects. Number 6, butterflies. Butterflies can only be described as living, flying works of art. They are colorful four-winged creatures with 6 legs and 2 antennae. Butterflies are major daytime pollinators. They spread pollen as they fly around in search of their food source nectar. Have you seen any of these beneficial bugs in your landscape? If so, let us know below by leaving a comment. Number 5, assassin bug. Depending on the species, assassin bugs come in various hues. They have long legs, a long flat body, and needle-like mouthparts. Assassin bugs are considered both general and ambush predators. Along with their nymph, assassin bugs feed on a variety of insects including aphids, beetles, mealybugs, flies and mosquitoes, caterpillars, bees, hornworms, and leafhoppers. Number 4, dragonfly and damselfly. Dragonflies and damselflies are described as tiny flying acrobats. While they look similar, there are ways to tell them apart. A dragonfly's eyes nearly touch. They are large and stocky, with large wings. Damselflies' eyes are separated, sitting at each side of their head. They are long and thin with narrow wings. Dragonflies and damselflies are predators. They eat flying insects like flies, midges, gnats, mayflies, and mosquitoes. Number 3. Braconid wasp. Braconid wasps look like half-inch sized flying ants. They are pollinators that eat flower nectar and pollen. They parasitize other insects by depositing their eggs inside of them. As the wasp larvae develop, they feed on hornworm caterpillars, stink bugs, aphids, beetles, squash bugs, leaf miners, and other soft-bodied insects. Number 2. Ladybug, also called lady beetle. I love ladybugs. They are known for their bright red color and black spots. Ladybugs have oval-shaped bodies with 6 legs. They are powerhouse predators, eating aphids and other plant-destroying pests including mealybugs, scales, thrips, and small caterpillars. Before we reveal which insect ranks number 1 on our list, don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Click notifications to stay current on new content. Number 1. Bees. Bees vary in color, shape, and size. However, all species are covered in hair. Bees come in at number 1 because they are the ultimate pollinators. Simply put, our survival depends on these tiny flying creatures. In search of their food source, nectar and pollen, bees pollinate our food crops, and they also produce liquid gold ambrosia called honey. Thank you! We said you were getting a baker's dozen list of beneficial garden insects, so for a little lagniappe, honorable mention goes to spiders. Spiders are given honorable mention because they are not really insects, they are arachnids. Spiders are predators and camouflage great in their environment. Spiders eat ants, bees, mosquitoes, flies, aphids, cockroaches, moths, butterflies, and other insects. Some eat frogs, lizards, and birds. I hope you have enjoyed our baker's dozen list of beneficial garden insects. Thank you for watching another episode of From a Bessie's House.